What is up, guys? So today I'll be doing my 2016 bike check. So yeah, starting off with the top, I have S&M Hooter grips. They're super soft. I love them. The only thing, the bars ends kind of suck, which don't really matter. Just get new bar ends. But yeah, I have Hooter bar ends too. Then I have Stranger bars. They're really nice. I like them. They're strong. Haven't bent yet. I beat them a lot. But I don't know. I did have black Flyman Montana bars, but I traded them. So I don't know. I might paint these, but I don't know. Alright, so then I have a Profile Racing front load stem. Really nice. Never slips. I like it. It looks pretty dope too. And then moving down, I have an Odyssey compression bolt. Makes music. Then I have a Colt headset. I like it. I mean, it's a headset. It spins. It works. And then I have Odyssey R32 forks. Super strong. The dropouts haven't bent, which is good. They're just all around really good forks. And then for the front tire, I have a Kink Lira tire. Really nice. Doesn't slip. It's good for street and park, which is nice. Doesn't slip on either. I love it. And then, just saying, my bike's really dirty. And then I have a BSD street front hub. It's nice. Spins like a dream. And then I have G Sport roll cage front wheel. I mean front rim. Spins. I mean it's a rim. Doesn't bend. It's gnarly, dude. And then moving down, I have a Fit Wi-Fi frame in chrome. It's nice. Looks pretty. I like it. And then pedals. Crappy Odyssey pedals. I am getting new ones shortly off Dan's comp. I like them. They're nice. And then for cranks, I have Profile Racing cranks. GDHs, I think they're called. They're nice. I mean, they're cranks. They work. And then for a sprocket, I have a Demolition sprocket. Once again, it's very dirty. It's really nice. It doesn't bend. The little teeth on it are really nice. And then for the chain, I have a KMC half link. Works. It's nice. I like it. And then for a bottom bracket, I have a Demolition bottom bracket too. It's nice too. Everything. And then I have a Kink pivotal seat, comfy. Works. I have a Stolen seat post. Seat post. Works. And then moving back, I have another Kink Lira tire. That's 2, if I can think. And then I have a Prima Remix back wheel 7 series. Nice, I just got it. I like the hub sound. Oh yeah, and then for pegs, I have Shadow Conspiracy pegs, but I have covers on them, which comes in handy. They slide like really nice. So yeah, that's my 27 Sunny whatever team, 16 I think. Yeah, that's my bike check. So subscribe to my channel if you like the video. Good for you. Alright, that's it. Jump away!